Are you looking to reverse type 2 diabetes? While there's no certain cure, it's indeed possible to put it into remission. Here are the top 5 lifestyle changes you can make to get there. Exercise. Try to exercise at least 30 minutes daily for 5 days a week, or set a target of moderate intensity physical activity for 150 minutes per week. Lose weight. Aim for a weight reduction of at least 7% of initial body weight through a healthy reduced calorie diet and regular exercise. Eat healthily. Eat less processed food, sugar, and carbohydrates. Get enough sleep. Sleep restriction has been associated with insulin resistance. Getting enough sleep is so important for diabetes reversal. Get regular checkup. Follow up with your doctor to make sure that your blood glucose levels are monitored. Don't forget, type 2 diabetes is an ongoing disease and needs regular medical attention. It's definitely possible to get it under control.